Hi guys, welcome back again. This is Mont, your trusted real estate broker. Yeah, for today's video, we are here at Elaro New Valley. So I'm gonna feature this 4-bedroom unit house and lot here in Elaro New Valley. So this development is developed by Ayala Land Premier. Okay, makikita nyo yun sa likod. Okay, samahan nyo po ako. Okay, this is the house. Ayan. The lot area is 655 square meters and the floor area is 480 square meters. Ayan, that's the house, and then the surroundings here, makikita nyo. Sobrang peaceful to. So for now, yan pa lang yung house sa area na to, sa face na to. Yan. So yan, kung makikita nyo dito, yung parking niya, pwede kayong mag-park ng 2 car magkasunod. So ayan, parking. So ayan siya, makikita nyo yung bahay. And then sa side, papakita ko sa inyo din sa side. So ayan yung side. Okay, pasok tayo sa loob. Ayan siya. Ito yung sa side niya. Ayan. Malaki pa yung space dito sa side. No? Ayan. And then yung main entrance is the main entrance. Okay, this is the main door of the house. So, yan. So pagpasok natin, yan, makikita nyo yung living area. Yan. Sa baba may mga, ano dito? Okay, sige. Yeah, this is the living area. Yan. Super ganda ng living area. And then the dining area. Yeah, this is the kitchen. Ayan. Ganda ng kitchen. Ayan. And then may isa pang dining dito, kitchen. Ayan. Yung likod. So ito yung back ng house. So yun yung second floor niya. Akitin tayo din mamaya. then may access ka dito sa baba, dito sa gilid. It's a beautiful house. Sobrang ganda talaga ng house ito. Second floor. It's the second floor. Second floor. Okay, ma'am. Yan yung second floor niya. Meron pa siyang family area dito. Family hall or family area. Yan. Rooms. Tapos yung bedrooms dito, pwede makita. Ayan. So, this is the bedroom. Not the master bedroom, but meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. Okay. So, this is the room. Spacious room with aircon. With toilet and bath. Okay. And then the other room. Ayan. With of course toilet and bath. And then, master's bedroom ito ba? Yeah. The master's bedroom is here. Master bedroom. So, this is the master bedroom. Yan. And inclusive na yung mga gamit for the sale, ano? So, yung master bedroom, you have the view of, no? Ayan yung view niya. Wow. This is facing north, by the way. Ayan. Tapos may balcony pa dito yung master bedroom. Okay. And then may sarili siyang toilet and bath. Ayan. Yeah, this is the back of the house. Single loaded lot tong bahay na to. Wala nang structure dun sa likod ng bahay. So, ayan. So, ayan yung likod niya. And then, ayan. The side. Ito yung sa left side. And then the wash area, laundry area. Yan, kasama na tong washing machine na washer and dryer. Yan yung likod. this is the master bedroom at the ground floor din. May master bedroom din sa taas at meron din master bedroom sa ground floor for senior citizens. Kasi yung owner nito is a senior citizen, so nilalagyan ng master bedroom sa baba. Okay? So this is the bed, and then yan, TV. It's included in the sale na. Okay? Ayan. Tapos may walk-in closet. So may walk-in closet. Ayan. Tapos meron pang isang small room dito. Okay. Ayan. And then the toilet and bath. Yan. And then sa labas naman with a powder room. So you have a powder room here. Ayan. And then access to the parking. Ayan. Then to the main door. Alright, if you're interested po for this house, you can reach me through my mobile number or email or Viber. Okay?